To create a management commission in VRTrust, we go to Fees and Commissions and select Add. Then we choose Management Commission. Next, we enter the commission name, set the rate, and pick the channels to apply the commission to. To set the commission, we open the advanced settings and select the revenue recognition method, making sure it matches the default revenue recognition selected in your reservation settings. We decide if the management commission applies to all reservations or only booked reservations. If we want to include cancellation revenue as commissionable, we select All Reservations. Then we pick the tax rate if needed. The revenue account is Management Commission Revenue, which posts to the Property Management Income Statement. The expense account is Management Commission Expense, mapped on the owner's statement. After this, we select the accounts to include in the fee. In this example, the default setup will include cancellation revenue if it is paid to the owner and if we are calculating commission on it. It also includes rents, the net accommodation fare, channel fees, and merchant fees. If there are other commissionable items, we select those line items that are mapped to the reservation invoice and any expenses included in the management commission calculation. By reviewing the different accounts, we see which PMS line type each account is linked to. These assignments are set in reservation mappings under Settings on the Reservations page. This way, we see all line types mapped to each account. We select the needed revenue and expense accounts and then test the management commission by going to the preview window. The best way to use the preview window is to test a management commission on different booking channels. For example, if we pick Airbnb, we can select a specific reservation to test the commission calculation. We see all the line types from the invoice, and the system shows the commission calculations for each line item and the total management commission revenue. We should test this on each booking channel. If we notice an additional amount was missed, we can select extra commissionable amounts to make sure the fee calculates correctly. Once we have selected and confirmed the management commission formula, we save the fee. After saving, we can apply the commission formulas to the relevant listings. We go to the Listings tab and select the listing, add the new fee that was created, select the management commission, and set the start fee from date back to a date a couple of years before your VRTrust go-live date. For example, we might set it 2 years before our start date. Then submit. This will not create journal entries before your VRTrust General Ledger start date. However, if the management fee includes items like merchant fees, setting this date back will include all merchant fees from advance deposits for stays after your go-live date that were paid during that prior period. We apply the management fee to the listing and save. If we need to remove a fee, we select the listing, choose Remove, and confirm. If we need to edit the fee, we can do so in the first month before issuing and publishing an owner statement. Best practice is to ensure the management fee is calculating correctly for all booking channels on all listings before putting any owner statement into review or publish status. If owner statements for this fee have already been published, we cannot edit the fee unless we unpublish all related statements or create a new fee to apply to the listing and end the current fee used in the published statements. If a different management fee calculation is needed due to the publishing of prior month's statements, we will need to create and assign a new fee and end the old fee date by updating the active commission fee. We end the old fee at month end of the most recent published statements, and the newly created fee will be applied and start on the first day of the subsequent month. If the old fee ended on September 30th, then we can add the new fee to begin in the following first day of the month. This is how we add the new fee we created if editing the existing fee is not possible due to prior published statements.